Bytnex is back online. If you've been trying to access the platform over the past few days, you know there was extended technical maintenance. This is a complete, honest update on what happened. The maintenance was more comprehensive than just regulatory compliance. Let me walk you through everything. MiCA regulation, the full system cleanup, temporary effects you might notice, and what it all means for your active contracts. The maintenance was directly related to MiCA, the European Union's Markets and Crypto Assets regulation. This is the EU's comprehensive framework for crypto platforms, and the transitional deadline is July 1st, 2026, just a few weeks away. Every crypto platform serving European users must be MiCA compliant by that date. MiCA requires enhanced compliance procedures, updated documentation, capital reserves, stronger user protections, and clearer transparency about operations. In simple terms, MiCA makes platforms safer, more accountable, and legally protected across the entire EU market. Here's the critical part, the deadline. The final MiCA compliance deadline is July 1st, 2026, just a few weeks away. Bytnex used this maintenance window to implement compliance well ahead of that deadline. Now here's something important. The maintenance was actually more comprehensive than just MiCA compliance. Bytnex used this window to perform a complete system overhaul. Full database cleanup, server updates, and complete data restoration across all servers. The Bytnex development team is running the process in strict chronological order, rebuilding data from the very beginning of the platform's history. Because this massive synchronization is happening in the background, you might notice some temporary effects in your account. Some balances, contracts, or data values may temporarily display incorrectly. This is completely normal during active synchronization. All data will restore automatically as the sync progresses. Here's the important part about chronological rebuild. The system is essentially time traveling through its own history. If you registered recently, after a specific synchronization date currently being processed, you may temporarily be unable to access your account. This is completely normal. Your account didn't exist in the network at that specific point in the system's timeline yet. As soon as the update reaches your registration date, your access will be fully restored immediately. Here's the context. Technical maintenance is a normal part of any serious project's lifecycle. Bitcoin, PayPal, Amazon, major banks, they all undergo regular maintenance. It's how professional platforms stay updated, secure, and compliant. Bytnex has been operating since 2018 as Cryptex, then Crypex, now Bytnex. 8 years of continuous operation. If anything, this comprehensive maintenance is a strong positive signal about how seriously the platform takes its infrastructure and legal standing. A platform that never updates is a platform that isn't investing in its future. This is exactly the kind of proactive approach serious users should expect. Now for existing users, your contracts and funds. The maintenance did not affect the mechanics of your active contracts. All daily profit accruals during the maintenance period will be reflected in your account as synchronization completes. All existing contracts continue running under the same terms you agreed to at activation. If you see temporary display issues, that's the synchronization still processing. Everything will restore. The platform is fully operational at the official website. The link is in the description below. Bytnex is back. MiCA compliance is implemented, system fully updated, and contracts are running. If you've been considering joining, register through the official link in the description. Activate one contract, email me your Bitcoin address, and I personally send $30 cashback within 24 hours. Real cashback, real money. Click the link below. Email me. Get your $30. Subscribe for more Bytnex updates and DeFi education.